Hey guys, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV Country here in Okeechobee, Florida. I want to show you this Flagstaff 8528 IKWS. Got two sides here on the right with side toppers that come standard. Got our storage under here. Nice big slide out here on the right. Frameless windows. Of course, we have the slide toppers, those come standard. Keep all that debris off the top of your RV. Spare tire here. You can even put a backup camera there if you need to do that. Alright, moving on inside. Alright, so solid surface countertops all around, Corian. We've got freestanding dinette here, nice flat screen TV. Beautiful chairs here, nice and comfy. Bar double door Dometic fridge here. 3-burner stove. Just really good, solid unit. Nice step up here. Beautiful all around. Queen size walk around bed. LED lighting, dual air conditioning, and of course we've got our storage here. So if you have any questions about this RV, also got our flat screen TV here in the bedroom. If you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 863-623-4689. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.